is Ravi and welcome in my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you how you can install the Visual Studio Code on your MacBook Air M1 laptop. So the last month in the February 2021, the Visual Studio community has launched a stable version of the VS Code. So you can just search on a Chrome. Now visit the Visual Studio Code website. Here you can see this is the latest version for all type of Mac system. Okay, they have not defined the separate for the M1 chip or for the Mac system with Intel. Okay, so you can see this is the download Mac Universal. This is same for all the type of Mac systems. Okay, so we can see when we click on that one, you can see this is stable version insider. You have to click on the stable and it will start the downloading. So this is a zip file. Okay, and you can check it out, updates here. So you can see the latest one. Okay, so the previously VS Code is using the Rosetta. Okay, so now we don't have any this type of problem, and by this way now we are unzipping this one. Now the size of Visual Code is 449 MB. So first time it will ask to open the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so let's start again. Okay, we will try to close this one, and again we will try to open from search. So you can see how fast it is. The performance is good when you click on this one, so fast. So by this way you can download the Visual Studio Code in your MacBook with M1 chip.